Fire alarm devices are designed to be seen, heard, and maintained. So, why do some end up hidden in the walls like the camera shy? Today, we're talking about recess mounting, what it is, why it's done, and why it's a big no-no when it comes to fire life safety. Here's a textbook example of what not to do. This is a simplex true light horn strobe that's been mounted so far into the wall, the sides are practically invisible. It might look clean to someone trying to hide wires, but functionality is a disaster. Problems with recess mounting: obstructed sound dispersion and light visibility, violation of manufacturer mounting requirements, nearly impossible to service or replace, risk of delayed notification during emergencies. These devices are engineered with very specific mounting guidelines for a reason. When mounted incorrectly, sound and light can be muffled or misdirected, which is critical during an evacuation. Quotes from NFPA 72 book. NFPA 72, the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code, states that notification appliances must be installed in a way that ensures unobstructed visibility and audibility. Every manufacturer, from simplex to wheel-lock, warns against recess mounting unless explicitly approved. Properly installed device. This is how it should be done. Clearly mounted, easily accessible, and fully functional. This setup ensures reliable signaling and ease of replacement if anything fails. Note: the device in this picture is a Wheelock MT1224 multi-tone electronic horn. Bottom line: a fire alarm that's buried in the wall isn't doing anyone any favors. If you're installing or inspecting, make sure visibility, access, and safety aren't an afterthought. Stay loud, stay visible, stay safe. Subscribe for more fire safety wisdom from yours truly.